Hello, my friend. If you've opened this video, it means you already have a desire for change. Perhaps you're tired of endlessly scrolling through social media, have bad habits, or just can't bring yourself to take action. The good news is that you are not alone. Even 2,000 years ago, the Stoics talked about similar challenges, albeit without smartphones. They were looking for a way to inner strength, discipline, and harmony. In this video, we won't just talk, you'll get specific tools that you can use today. 5 simple but profound steps to help you become stronger, more centered, and freer. Shall we get started? Part 1. Understand the enemy. What are habits, and why do we become slaves to them? The Stoics believed that everything starts with understanding. Epictetus said, "It is not things that disturb us, but our judgments about them." Bad habits are not just behavior, but a way to escape from something: boredom, anxiety, fatigue. Social networks provide quick gratification. Fast food is an easy dopamine. Video games, a sense of achievement without real effort. Example: Vladimir wakes up, picks up his phone, and after an hour of mindless scrolling, he feels tired. Why? Because his brain is used to dopamine. He's not lazy, he's just used to it. Start a diary of observation. Every time you feel like picking up your phone or eating something unhealthy, stop and write it down. What am I feeling right now? This will help you see the triggers. This is the first step: awareness. Part 2. Instead of war, control. How to develop self-discipline in a sustainable way. Stoics did not call for fighting habits. They advised to control yourself. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have only your mind. Use it." Example: Anna decided not to delete Instagram, but set a rule: open it only after a 10-minute walk. Instead of a ban, she set a new condition. This is Stoicism in action. Tip: try the 5-minute rule. If you want to do something harmful, postpone it for 5 minutes. Often the desire disappears. Set up barriers. Remove applications from the home screen. Turn off notifications. Don't keep fast food at home. Introduce morning rituals. Exercise, cold water, 3 pages of a book. This gives the brain new tracks instead of the old ones. Part 3. Priorities. Your compass in a world of chaos. Seneca wrote, "When you don't know where you are going, no wind will be favorable." Bad habits often arise when there is no clear goal. And when there is a goal, actions become conscious. Example: Igor wanted to be more on time, but he started every day with chaos. He sat down and wrote down his 3 goals for the month. Now every day is a step towards them. Social media. They became just background noise. Tip: write a list of 3 main things you want to improve. For example, health, career, self-discipline. Ask yourself, does this bring me closer to my goal? Before every action. This simple question is a powerful filter. Part 4. Moderation is the new superpower in the age of excess. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the ability to not want what you don't need." We live in an age of excess. Stoicism teaches moderation, not as a restriction, but as a path to inner peace. Example: Katerina didn't give up sugar completely, but decided to eat sweets only on Sundays. As a result, her taste became brighter and her cravings weaker. Tip: implement a digital detox, at least 1 day without social media per week. Practice moderation in eating. Don't ban it completely, but reduce portions and frequency. Choose one thing you want to cut down on: coffee, sweets, TikTok, and set rules for it. Part 5. Your responsibility is your strength. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Everyone's life is a reflection of their thoughts." Stoicism teaches, don't look for the guilty, become responsible. This is not a burden, but a freedom. Example: Vlad always said, "I don't have time for anything because of work," until he changed his rhetoric. "I choose to spend my evenings watching TV shows." And in that moment, he chose to change. Advice: rewrite your usual complaints in the form of responsibility. I choose this. I allow this to happen. Make a list of 3 things you can do today for a better tomorrow. Hang a quote from a Stoic on your wall to remind you that the choice is always yours.